I have two different face powder on, pressed powder foundation. Natasha Denona is on my left and L'Oreal Infallible is on my right. Check my foundation playlist so you can see what they look like in comparison and leave me a comment. I am just cleaning under my brows for the look I am going to create. I'm using Juvia's Place number 1 and it is the eye base. I am creating a fun look. I am using the Lover's Palette by Cosmic Beauty. I'm using a baby blue matte to put in the brow bone. And we're just going to have some fun creating an eye look. Today's I am says, I am pure consciousness. I am pure consciousness. I'm taking it all the way out here by my hairline. Fun makeup. How are you doing today? Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations, where you will be uplifted and learn something today. Hi there, if you are new, my name is V. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I appreciate you stopping by always. I hope you watch this video all the way to the end, and I hope there was something that I said that made your day a little brighter. Remember, you are pure consciousness. Always, always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. Do not give up on yourself. Life is very, very, very important. It is not long, but it's important. Make the best use of your day. I know things are tough and everybody have it tough in different ways. But we have to remember to pray for each other and to lift each other up. Whether it's with a phone call, a text, a FaceTime, let us let each other know that we're there for them. You can't call everybody, but you can call someone. You cannot text everybody, but you can text someone. Don't make it too hard or frustrating that you get tired. Don't get to that point. Don't get to your breaking point before you realize you need to rest. Rest is very important. There's so many things going on in today's world. Let us take care of ourselves so we can show up our best self and we can show up for others. The rest of the white primer I put in the first part of my eyes. I did not get to use glitter glue today or eye primer. I'm doing all of this eyeshadow on just regular face powder. There is a pretty shimmer in there and it has a dark base, so I'm going to use that on the white eye base that I just put down. Since I had it out already, I didn't want to waste it, so I'm using it as my glitter glue. This was never meant to be monochromatic, but it looked like it's coming out that way, right? I don't know if I'm going to use another shimmer. We will see when I'm done with this. There's another shimmer and I'm going to just put it right here in the middle. I am pure consciousness. Today's I am. I pray that this video lifts you up and give you a smile on your face. I love you dearly. Today's creative look. I use this palette right here, the Lover's Palette by Cosmic Beauty. My lip combo is Discontinued Lipstick, Wet n Wild Lipstick, Revlon Gloss. Until I see you and you see me, I want you to know that you are pure consciousness and you have to be aware of that. You got to know that you are pure consciousness. When you are aware of how conscious you are, you hear and see things differently. I will see you shortly. Hype this video, share it with someone else. Watch this video all the way to the end to keep me visible on YouTube. I appreciate you. Bye.